Hi there, YouTube. This is Dominic from 𝗙𝗏𝗂𝗏. Nice to see you again. Customer experience enthusiast here. So this is the channel where we take customer experience to the next level. Every day and one video at a time, we try to nudge very slowly customer experience to new heights because this is what we're passionate about. This is what I'm passionate about, and this is what I try to focus on. Now, as I learn new things, I come and I share it with you. And one of the things that I wanted to share is how to integrate Zendesk with Twitter. So, as you know, Zendesk is our favorite customer experience and customer service tool of choice. And we've been banging all along this drum of how good it is and how much we like it and how much I like it. And hopefully I have your attention and you also like it. And on the other hand, there's Twitter, which is the most famous social media app that is widely spread, and that's where some of your customers maybe congregate and they're hanging out. But it's being bought now by Elon Musk. No comment about that. Let's see what's going to happen with the platform moving forward. But the premise is like you want to meet your customers as a business wherever they hang out, right? You don't want to be inaccessible. You don't want to have just email available and phone and chat, which is on your website. You want to have availability wherever your customers hang around. So if they communicate with their friends and family on Twitter, why not be present there as a brand so you can facilitate a conversation, right? Somebody has bought something from you, they need something from you, they want their invoice, they have a question about, I don't know, how to product works, whatever they bought, so that you want to meet them in their favorite social media channel, in this case, Twitter. So let me share my screen and we can have a look and see how that integration can go. So I'm sharing my screen now. I hope you can see it. This is our test account. I'm going to navigate to the admin center. That's what you do first. Then you go to channels and I'm going to go to messaging. And I'm going to go, as you see, I have quite a lot of channels enabled. So I have Facebook, I have Instagram, and I have a bunch of widgets. I'm going to go add channel and I'm going to choose Twitter direct message. This is the only thing that I want for now, right? So it prompts me to link Twitter account. So it asks me to sign into Twitter. This is my handlebar for Twitter. I'm going to introduce password here. Boom. Let's see if this works. Okay. Doop. Next, please. Okay. The account being added is already logged in. Okay. Even better then. So do we have a go or not? Okay, I'm logged in. So where let's try again. Admin center. Let's go to channels. And this time, let's try and go to Twitter accounts. Pull this up. Okay, so let's go to general settings. Let's go to Twitter accounts and then add your first Twitter account. Member. So let's add password again, redirecting you to the application. Here we go. So look, the backdoor worked. So we were able to add our account, and this is it. So let's see. Let's click this and see if it takes us. Okay, it does take us to the Twitter account, which is good. Love it. Now let's see. What can we do around here? Let's edit this and see what's going on. Okay, first things first, what brand do I associate this with? So I'm not going to associate it with this Dominic CX, neither with this one. Yeah, let's try this one. I'm going to try and associate it with this one. This is the one that I want to use. Allow replies via this account. Yes, please. Make this the default account. No. Capture public mentions. Yes. Capture incoming ticket as messaging. Yes. Track likes. No, that's not necessarily. All right, let's save this. Okay, cool. So this has been us linking our Twitter account with Facebook, right? So, sorry, Twitter account with Zendesk. So it is now connected. So in theory, if I now go here, accept, and I potentially just write a message, new message, but somebody has to reach out to me, right? Somebody from the audience, can you please send me a message? So now in theory, what this does is it's going to create a ticket each time somebody writes from Twitter. So let's see, do I have a ghost account on Twitter? I don't, but since Elon Musk is taking it, and he's been saying that there's a bunch of bots, you could do that, right? So let's try adding the Twitter direct message. Sign into Twitter, because now, see, we connected it, we already linked the Twitter account. So now let's see if this works better. So in messaging, we can create bots in order to communicate with our customers, right? So, okay, this is good. Channel name. This is our handlebar. I'm going to call it the same. The brand, this one, modal, add channel. All right, cool. So we've added Twitter now in our Zendesk, and we can now hook it up with a bot, right? So the bot can, right now we can set up a bot that interacts, users that reach out via Twitter can be greeted by a bot. We can configure an autoresponder, or we can link it with a bot. So right now the brand is this one, and now let's go to bots, and let's see if we can find a bot that, okay, let's see this one. Okay, let's go to settings, and let's put this bot. So let's create a bot. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is good. Bots, settings. That's aware. Okay, good. So what I need to do now, here we go. So this is what we call this one, bot. This is where it is. So this brand, which is called modal, it's linked with this widget, and now I can link it with this Twitter account. Save. All right, cool. So now this bot is linked to this Twitter account. So now in theory, these are my bot's intentions, the bot intentions that are going to interact with within this Twitter account. Now, it's very useful for me that I show you how this looks like, right? So let's do this. I'll stop the video for a quick second and find another Twitter account to interact. 1 sec. Stop. Alrighty, so we're back. I have worked some magic and created a Twitter account, which I'm going to right now test and interact with the Twitter account that we've just synchronized with Zendesk. So sharing my screen again, and I have opened this in Chrome. So now let me look for handlebar. Here we go. There's Zendesk expert guy. Okay, so let's see. Now let's follow this guy first, and now I believe we can send them a message, huh? Tweet. Okay, so how do we message this guy? Boom, boom, boom. So go to messages, write a message, and write it to this guy. Can't? Why not? I can't be messaged? Why not? Okay, not a problem. Let's try this. 𝗙𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏, how are you doing, bro? Doop. All right, cool. Here we go. The guy has received a tweet. Now let's go back. And let's see. Now, okay. Now, let's go to our Zendesk. Let's go to our views. Go to our unassigned tickets. Okay. So here we go, notification. Here it is. Good. Okay. Let's see if we can find this guy. We have found him. But they're not here. Okay. But why can't we? Good. Okay. So I can't just message this guy? Yo. What's up? Okay, now we go back to hey. Oh, here we go. So now we're interacting with the bot. See? Are you looking for a support resource? Yes. Look, it's asking me, giving me options. Which one would I want? I want RNS. Here is a link to the RNS page. Okay, cool. Cool. So this is me interacting with the bot. But did this create a ticket? Here we go. Here it is, right? So unassigned tickets. Here is the ticket. And here's the private message, right? That I have initiated and appears in Zendesk. So yeah, see, this is how you activate the Twitter connection. And yeah, hopefully this has been useful for you. And yeah, I hope to see you again in another video. Bye.